Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Abhignya Self-Directed Learning. So this is the resources I purchased recently for my kids. They are twins, 3-year-old boys. So this is charts. There are 10 charts, and I purchased also this alphabet flashcards and fruits flashcards. All these I purchased from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description. So I'll open these and show you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be sharing videos related to resources which we use, and also books we read, and related to parenting and self-directed learning. So I'll show you after I open these. So these are alphabet flashcards. So there are 30 cards. So as you can see, okay, yeah, it's all mixed up. Let me check. Yes, it's so separate. This is B, A. Okay, so there are both small and big alphabets. And back of it you have this A for apple, that with figure, and here also you can see B for bear. So colors are also very good, bright colors, you can see. So it's reverse, so you can see umbrella. So these are all different puzzle with questions. Guess the missing letter. So here as you can see, so A is missing and here C is missing. There is this puzzle also, you can play with kids, and here back side they have given the answer. So it's nice. So here also this guess missing letter is given. So as you can see, there are A to Z, so like this letters, okay, big and small, and back side you have respective these figures are given like this. And four these questions are there. Guess the letter. So I am showing you fast this. Each letter, and sorry, what is backside, so that you can know. All different colors, big letter, small letter. Q, R, yes. So I am sure kids would be attracted to these colors, bright colors. Mostly they have used these basic colors, green, red and blue. Z, and this zebra, and here guess the answer. Guess answer. Four are there, four cards are there, right? Okay, so I think it's very good. I like this. price and everything details I'll share in the description. Okay, this was one flashcard. I'll open the other one. Okay, these are, yeah, the fruits. So here there is a figure, and here they have written what is it: plum, kiwi, and you can see it's colorful figure also. This name this fruit, this is also there, like quiz. So here answer is given. Avocado, how does it look? Here so again this name this fruit is also there. Lychee, papaya. So this lychee and all, even I didn't know that it looked like this. So even for us it is so interesting, for adults also. Gooseberry and apricot. This is blackberry. So grapefruit, grapes. So quickly I'll show every card. So these are also 30 cards. So with 3 name the fruit. So I think this is also very good. So now coming to the charts. So these it came like this. See, my first early learning charts. For 10 charts are there. I'll show you. They are big, quite big. So I'll show you like this. So this is alphabet. All the alphabets A to Z is there. I'll share the photo here. Okay. Also I'll share the photos so that you can see. This is vegetables. You can see how all the vegetables are given. Pumpkin, lettuce, sweet potato, cucumber, and colors, fruits, all the fruits chart, and opposites: hot, cold, inside, outside, front, back, empty, full, heavy, light. So all these are given, opposites. So wild animals. Then birds. You have duck, goose, turkey, hen, most of the birds. 22 birds are given. Then shapes. All the common shapes you can see, and they have given this cylinder, can, beehive, hexagon. So example also, see, star, for star, starfish, heart shaped leaf, crescent, moon. So oval shape, egg. So they have given example of these daily life examples also they have given. So number 1 to 20. So with these figures, easy to count. 6, so like this. My body parts. So total 10. So they are my body parts, numbers, shapes, birds, wild animals, opposites, fruits, colors, vegetables, alphabets. I thought it is very good, attractive, and it's easy to see, look at, and if you paste it on any like wall or anywhere, so where children daily see, so they will get familiarized. So I am going to do that. So I already had purchased one alphabet chart from the stationery. I'll show it to you. I have pasted it on the door. 1 second. So this is the alphabet chart. I have pasted it like this on the door, and children, both kids here stand, and they just, I'm not teaching anything, but they are just looking at it, so to get familiarized. And also colors also, whenever they see red color, they will come and show this to me, red color. So like this, they can recognize. So that's how I am going to do. I'll paste the charts on the wall so that they will just see. So for few months, they will, few days, they will be familiarized. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. So I showed these charts, 10 charts, and these flashcards, alphabet flashcards, and also fruits flashcards. So with some puzzles also. So I think you like this video. So if you like, then please press like button, and also share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing informative videos like this. So thank you for watching so far. This is the end of video. Bye bye, take care, meet you next time.